to.
Cold grits. Alright, Mukbang part 3. We got our special guest, Philip.
Yes, sir.
Phil
We like that about here. Real San Francisco.
Shout yourself out.
Oh, San Francisco versus Oakland, bro.
Oh.
Type shit, yeah.
I'm from San Francisco, California.
Okay. We
Fuck
like
Oakland.
those a little bit.
Okay, you talking
No, we ain't dissing Oakland. now.
Whoa.
Shout yourself out. What's your socials, man?
SA Lil 23. Crybaby Killer on Instagram.
Alright.
We fuck those over here. We fuck those over here.
We got a special guest here today. It's Philip, man. You know me, Jamel.
Well, this is not really a mukbang, but like niggas have to food.
Mukbang 2.3, 2.5, I mean.
2.5 type
2.1,
shit. Just like a conversation type shit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, don't be sleeping on Lucky's, bro. They chicken is kinda, they should be busting like Lucky's.
You ever had that before?
Hell yeah, nigga.
I never had Lucky's chicken. You had Lucky's chicken before?
Never had that shit? Oh, wow.
Oh, today I got a steak burrito, but I also got this horchata shit. This shit smack, bro.
That's what this is?
No, that's the drink. Not the burrito, that's the steak.
This nigga right here.
You eating my burrito, bro?
Oh, I'm lying.
Oh.
Wait, I see you there.
Oh, I'm about to be hot, bro.
I said the hell thing. You already know I got 2 chicken breasts. I'm probably gonna say this for later. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm just eating these Takis. Shout out to my boy Juanito.
That's Migo. No, I call him Migo.
You call him Migo?
I call him Migo.
That nigga is the homie though. But for real, he hit us with that. The Takis right there, boy. The hot sauce.
Chill out. On the cold grits. We pray before we eat, bro. We pray before we eat.
Nigga eating a rapper.
Is the foil good? Hold on, Takariki. They even season the foil.
Come on, y'all.
Come on.
Oh shit.
Uh,
Let's just like.
nah, bro. Come on. It's on Josh. Come on.
You a special guest?
Oh, special guest. Yeah. Give us a prayer.
God is good. God is great. Thanks for my food. Amen.
Amen.
Hey, keep it simple. Short and simple.
Short and
Like
simple.
those over here.
I'm like Mr. Essay over there.
Yeah, man. You want to tell us about it, man?
Oh, yeah.
Near-death experiences.
Somebody should get fired at DMV. I ain't gonna lie to you, though.
You know?
Somebody deserves to be fired. Giving this nigga a license. We all would have just been potatoes. This man driving. It's cool. We made it.
That's facts, but damn.
We made it.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You would have been a dead man walking, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
He would have been
I
walking.
swear, bro.
He would have been rolling.
The back of the car, bro, would have been fucked up.
Bro, duh.
And she was going faster, bro. The back of the car would have been fucked up.
Damn, I told you I watch anime though. You flex every muscle in your body.
I wouldn't have been thinking about that shit in a minute.
I would've-
I'd have been.
Well, I call it.
Nigga.
Man, bro. That's crazy, but. You know
All
what
right,
happened?
next topic.
Nah. What happened? Tell us what was going through your head at the time.
That's wrong, bro. He was just like
That nigga.
kind of nervous though.
I ain't really mad at him because it was his first time driving with all the bros.
Oh, yeah.
His music wasn't working.
Yeah.
It was.
You wrong, bro.
I'll be the foil by accident.
What the? Nigga made me. Bruh, hell no. Y'all ready for graduation though? For real? Well,
Yeah, special guest no, but honestly, I'm really debating on going.
I got a whole other year.
that's
Yeah.
tough, bro. And you actually gotta go back to school. Ain't no more Zoom shit, so you can't.
No, I don't know though. 'Cause
What?
No, they're going back to school.
No,
yes, they are.
They
We're going back.
can't. They can't mandate.
They can.
They give it.
We're
No,
going back.
actually no, because
Yeah.
I was talking to the secretary in the office and she said I didn't have to get my computer right because she didn't know I was a senior. So I sort of a senior. So she said I think
They're gonna make. It's gonna be like
It's
a
gonna
regulation.
wind up popping up.
It's one of these days.
not if
It's
not,
inevitable, bro.
Not if they're. If I'm not vaccinated.
It's inevitable. They're gonna make you do that shit. You know how the schools are, nigga. They take away your freedom.
Freedom.
That's a fun right now. That's a fun right there. But I ain't gonna lie, Javon. I ain't gonna lie, you just took some L's, bro. Like, your girl was at the stove, man. She didn't even say what's
I ain't gonna lie. I
up.
would've said what happened, bro.
I would've been.
She-
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, nigga. That was the one
Yeah,
when
the
you got
one-
checked out by.
Yeah,
No,
the
I'm gonna pause.
That's why I was like, get her number. We was gonna test. See if she texts you back.
Yeah, see if she won't.
Maybe she on license or something.
Oh, yeah, I should have said that. Look back.
Nigga, we just
No,
said that.
you gonna walk?
Yeah,
I'm not going back to the. No, it's
That's
bad.
cool. That's
bro. Let me draw.
He gotta respect you.
You know,
Let me draw, bro. I got $100 for you.
this nigga could barely drive his car. What you think you can do? And he been driving that car for over years.
But yeah, like that's tough, man. But how was that work though? You cool?
Cool.
For real?
You know,
What do you
my
even
thing.
like? Y'all just be chilling? You be just chilling
You
in
be
the back?
chilling, bro. Even the people in the front that work the food, they be chilling too.
It be hectic at times. Nobody be going there. Or at least when the time.
Yeah, I think like hella people been quitting and shit.
For real?
Why?
Where do you even work at?
Jack and
Wait,
Which
what's
one?
up with you, dude?
the one by in Oakland by Taco Bell and Rayleigh's.
Really is.
You know where that is, nigga.
It's like Popeyes, Keep Lawrence, Little Caesars, Starbucks,
Oh, yeah,
Smoke
yeah.
Shop.
Yeah.
I paid in the image.
What?
He said he painted an image.
That's still a
Image.
pause.
Anyway, bruh. All right. 3-day weekend. What we doing?
Oh yeah, I forgot it was a 3-day weekend, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all trying to go to the movies?
I'm
Yeah.
going tomorrow. I'm going.
I'm
What
going
time?
Tomorrow?
I'm seeing Spiral.
You said tomorrow?
I think we're gonna go to a scary movie or some shit.
That's the Jigsaw thing. I just seen the trailer. That shit look fire. I got $100 that Samuel L. Jackson did it.
This nigga Googled it.
I ain't gonna lie.
Scam you. He gonna
Jamil,
scam
you look
you.
like the Jigsaw nigga, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You
You look like the Jigsaw nigga. You look like him, actually.
I thought, wait, wasn't he a white dude?
Yeah, he was some old one.
An old white dude?
Some
And then
old-
it
old
changed
white
to
doctor.
a younger white dude?
It was like sometimes it was like you know how some serial killers or like a copycat serial killer. I think it's like that Jigsaw. Some nigga tried to copy the Jigsaw. Copy.
The fourth one was like the last one I seen.
I remember watching
Too
them.
many, bro. That should be brutal though.
What about Fast and the Furious? You watching 9?
Bro, no. That's
Hey, I can't wait for that shit to come out. I ain't gonna lie.
When Paul Walker died though, it's like, bro, why
That shit ain't the
watch it?
same.
It's not the same, bro.
They don't even race no more, bro. They do other shit.
They're super spies and shit.
Man.
Man, they
Race
do
on
some
fucking buildings and
It's
shit.
not even Fast
Never
and Furious.
released them, bro. They finna go to the moon. Shit, bro.
Man, start smoking and shit. That's crazy, bro. They be. I don't know where the fuck that story going. That shit not even Fast and Furious. That shit. Young and dangerous, like.
Oh, young, I'm hella old.
Oh yeah.
The series is like 50 years old. Nah, it ain't that old, but it's like, damn, bro.
I'm hella fun, bro. It's like Vin Diesel versus him and his dad. Vin Diesel versus him and his ex. Vin Diesel versus him and his brother. Like, come on. John
Then they
Cena-
made
John
his brother
Cena-
John Cena. What the
They
fuck?
could have Bruce Willis or somebody. John Cena don't look nothing like that nigga.
Man, dude.
Fuck. Vin Diesel was bald headed and fat.
They should have cast
Are you getting in the ring with Kimbo Slice?
Oh, he was just watching Kimbo Slice earlier. You get in the ring with him?
Bro, I couldn't do it.
That
Bro.
thing's gonna, like, no money can solve my brain damage. Like,
Man, dude, he's gonna kill me, dude. With
you.
one punch.
Man.
You gonna get killed too. He might spare you because you kind of look like him. Like a little bit. Like if he wasn't so buff. Got buff ass neck, nigga. You got a Hall of Fame buff extender.
This nigga said I got a buff extender.
Pause, bro. Pause. Pause, bro. Pause. Imagine, like, can your dick even get buff, bro? Like, can you like do some workout?
I
for
mean,
that?
it's like muscles, so I'm pretty sure.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, it don't got a bone. Shit.
We've been
Look at
fighting
they
for
got a
18
bone.
years. I'm not gonna be even talking about penis, bro.
What if like you had a bone
No,
and then like
I don't know. I don't know.
like, you can really
I
break
don't
that
know. No, I'm not gonna talk about this anymore, bro.
shit. Oh yeah, you like those stuff for me.
No.
It's cool.
I like them.
It's not wrong with liking like the others.
Hey,
I mean the
nothing
same
wrong with
gender.
it.
But
Keep that shit away from me.
no. You like at this point you might as well condone it, bro.
You
It's
think we
just
should?
it's cool. It's cool.
What?
You think we should condone it? Like, it should be split. I think it should be.
Yeah, I think it's
In the group?
it's not wrong with it.
Yeah, you
What?
wanna be partners with no fruit?
Okay, no.
There's my presence behind that.
Behind somebody being a fruit in a group?
Yeah, we're the homies, like the boys.
Huh? Wait.
Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. It depends.
Huh?
How you looking at it?
Look.
No,
Look,
wait,
look.
hold on.
You just asked
Listen,
niggas to come out the
listen.
closet.
Look.
You like, how you feel about it? You be okay?
I'm already on where you going with it. I'm not, come on, let's stay.
It gotta be. He can't be acting hella gay. You know how niggas be like putting on the nails and shit.
Okay.
And then want to do the makeup and shit.
Oh, not
and
the
you can
shins.
tell that the nigga's gay.
Mm-hmm.
If the nigga gay and he act normal and he around me, I would trip.
Cause my mindset is like, you must be fuzzy, bro. You probably know female.
Yeah. He could be like the little.
He'll have every female.
That's what I'm saying.
On the side.
But if you have a conversation with him, he gonna talk about niggas the whole time.
Not really.
If he a cool gay dude.
And he don't talk about niggas the whole time.
Yeah, if he just do regular shit.
You make it seem like gays are just like some creepy shit.
Literally just people that just like the same sex. I don't blame them. Not that I'm like no. Not that I'm no.
We know now.
I know you're not talking, bro.
I know you're not talking,
Bro, you look like Tay Rock, bro.
Who acts the most gay?
In the group?
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely gotta be this dude. It's definitely gotta be this dude, bro. This nigga's gay, bro. This nigga's straight gay.
From an outside point of view, who acts the most gay?
To be honest, though.
I mean, from the videos I just watched.
I am. Not lying, bro.
I'm just saying, like, who, like in this room.
Right now, this nigga saying what good shit.
Bro.
I'm just saying.
So we ain't gonna act like this nigga just gets no pussy, bro.
No.
He might be
You a
gay.
virgin?
I tried.
I'm a virgin.
He sounds so depressed. He said, I tried to.
Was it yesterday?
Bro, I don't know why she didn't text me, bro. That kind of make me mad. Like,
I know, I ain't
secondhand, like,
why would you?
embarrassment.
Not embarrassment.
She the one that offered to give her socials.
Yeah,
I didn't
that's-
ask her.
That's weird. That's what I'm saying.
I didn't even ask her.
That's my yeah.
That's weird, though.
Not easy.
Did you add her back?
She dead there using your
On
ass as
Snap?
notification.
Did you text her on Snap or you text her like?
That's fucked
Snap.
up.
You didn't text her? Did she give you a phone number?
It's not,
Huh?
No, it wasn't green. There was no green to be received.
Yeah, why you trying to roast, dude?
I didn't even say Rose. I was just like, you didn't give her
I
a
would have
phone
been
number.
mad at that.
Yeah, you know a reptile built ass nigga.
This nigga built like a steak, ain't he? Like a mop.
Philip,
I
I know you're not like you look like the nigga that invented peanuts. Bro, I ain't gonna lie,
You built like
bro.
one of them bugs, nigga, that's built like sticks. What is you talking about?
Oh,
They be in the
a
trees
stick
all the
bug?
time,
Stick bug?
nigga. You look like a roach that has hair. Extra hair for no reason, nigga. Fuck out of
I ain't gonna lie, your hair look like my pews. Okay.
You look at another boy and be like, yeah, that nigga look like my dick. Like, come on. Like, come on,
This
dude.
nigga ugly as hell.
No, why are you pointing at him? I remember Incredible 2. Have you watched Incredible 2? Yeah. But getting that random ass Chinese nigga. I mean, what's the egg roll shit? That nigga look like the little boy.
He said he was like Humpty Dumpty. He said you hurt, bro. He like meant it too, like.
Bro, don't you look like that crackhead nigga on Mrs. I got these cheeseburgers.
My nigga Jamil look like the nigga off PJs, the crackhead.
Nigga, Philip, you look like motherfucking.
Oh shit,
The Smurf, the what's Gorgamon? The ugly ass nigga. Nigga look like Selectro off of Green Lantern. No, you know the nigga that's yellow.
Oh, Central. Yeah.
Ugly ass.
What was that?
I don't even know who that
This nigga
is.
look like-
bro. This nigga just look like a rock, bro. A rock that's been in the sun too long. Got melanin. It's like all types of shit. It's hard to tell up in this room,
I
bro.
know
I ain't
it's
gonna lie
hella.
to you.
There's too many bodies in this bitch, bro.
Yeah, it's hella bodies in this one. We imagine we had drill. Oh, we've been burning.
Stop
nigga.
talking about this nigga.
We've been on fire hitting the like bro.
Bro, you can't do. You ain't even ate your chicken yet.
Nigga, I told you I'm saying that shit for later, dude. I ain't gonna lie, is this what Indians be doing? Cause like I'm an Indian.
No, bro, you're Native American.
That's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought it was, my bad.
No, like you talking about Pocahontas or the Hindu and the Hindu Buddhism.
That's
That's Iraqian.
What the fuck?
Iraqian. What the fuck is that?
Spell Iraqian, nigga.
You don't even know your heritage. Shut up.
I7. Come on, spell it. Spell it, nigga. You gonna put in cheat codes. Left, right, down, up, nigga.
You look like a cheat code, nigga. Like something.
You like a Cheeto, nigga. Ugly ass nigga. What you looking at?
Your socks, bro.
Okay, don't be
Your
weird.
socks, bro. Your socks, bro.
Don't be
Only you
weird,
do
dude.
weird shit like that.
Oh,
ass
you been
shorts.
on I ain't gonna lie, you been on a losing streak, bro.
Who?
With the women.
What?
You been on a very bad losing streak.
You right.
Bro. I'd rather
You
be
right.
a nigga
Right.
that don't get no O's than a losing streak, dude.
Why you had to put him on?
Hey, Javon, Kirk, we all in the same
Wait,
situation.
first of all, don't you go out with a 14-year-old?
Ooh.
Don't you go out with a 14-year-old?
Ain't you a senior getting that
So we really
freshman?
gonna do this
That's
right
it.
now? Really
You
gonna
pulling
do this
in
right now?
you pulling in a sign.
Can we
Oh,
first of all, can we
shit.
talk about this right now? First of all, I ain't never talked to her. I blocked her on everything, bro. Now she came after me. Now I ain't the type of nigga. I ain't no like R. Kelly ass nigga. So I'm just like, I'm not gonna talk to her. So I just blocked her. I literally talked to her like one day. I was like, yeah, and then just fucking blocked her, bro. Don't try to put me on blast. I'm not that type of nigga. You ugly ass nigga. That's why I'm on.
But Javon, and we all in the same boat here. We all ain't got no hoes.
That's
We all ain't got
actual
no.
evidence.
Who get the most pussy on you niggas?
Oh, it's definitely me.
For real.
No, I ain't there.
Real. Real, for surely real.
Real. But he be, man, do it really count though?
If
We
that's
really
the
count
thing,
it.
if it don't count to me. Nah, I'm joking. I'm a virgin.
Nah.
I forgot.
Jamil Pitt, everybody. Jamil Pitt.
Anya.
I'm not
I ain't
giving
might
it.
actually though.
This nigga get sucked up by lesbians, bro. No. No.
You
No.
say he gets sucked up by lesbians?
Yeah, no.
What's wrong with that?
I mean, that's a dub.
I ain't gonna text the
They,
group
they
chat.
she could bring her
You gonna watch
friends.
text the group chat? I can
He gonna sit up. He gonna start attacking everybody. Oh, Javon, ugly asses and talking.
Man, bro. But it's
I'm really just better than you. You're a bum.
Sting. Ah.
oh, niggas selling.
We be getting hoes, Philip.
No.
I like
So
that.
let me talk about that.
I like that response.
I want to talk about that one girl though. That like she trying to get a ride. She was trying to get a ride. And then she had no money.
Oh, bro, chill
Yeah, I
out,
know.
chill out, dude. Chill out.
Was it?
Wait.
Chill out.
No.
Oh, I'm finna say.
You know what I'm talking about.
Chill out, dude.
What?
Chill out, dude. The
Wait,
man right here, done.
that's him?
Show it like that. No,
Or-
nigga, no, hell no.
this nigga right
Hell
here.
no.
Was it her?
The
Yeah,
mirror right there. the-
Hey,
Chill the fuck. We will not condone. All women are great women.
It was her? I swear to God.
All women are great women.
Say swear to God.
Oh, bro, I'm finna start.
Bro, you don't know?
Oh, no, I didn't tell him anything. We can't tell him. Well, I tell him though.
Golly.
Oh, so what's up, Cole Grace? How y'all been
I'll
doing?
He
tell
just said
you,
it
we
was
doing
for a
Monopoly,
ride.
bro? I'll tell you.
Hey, listen
You
though.
recording?
Listen up.
I got a question for y'all, like our serious ass question. Bro.
What's up?
I'm really going through some deep shit.
Rewind it after this. So
I'm really going through some deep shit right now, bro. I just gotta ask y'all some shit. Like, what's your ideal relationship type shit? Like,
That's what I was wondering because the last mukbang we was talking about. You asked us a great question. Would you date a girl to OnlyFans?
would you date a girl on OnlyFans? And she make it make, right? What if she like entertaining all these dudes, right? But then like
Just
she fuck
by
with
herself. She's
I ain't
not,
gonna lie.
showing other dudes. She's just showing herself.
Yeah, right. And she make it bang. Would you be in the videos?
definitely, nigga, who wouldn't be in the videos with their girlfriend?
See, but yeah,
That's my thing. He said no. I'm not. You can't be in none of the videos.
Yeah, what if you couldn't?
You can't be in the
Yeah,
video.
she showing that shit to everybody in the world, and it's just like you can't be in the
Still
video.
in the
If I'm still getting it,
Yeah, exactly, right? There's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that.
What's your ideal relationship?
My ideal relationship, I ask you guys. I just
You
want to like,
answer
take
first.
perspective.
Nah, you answer first. I feel like when you intimate with somebody like that, like on a level, it's like everything.
Or when can we say like it really gets to that point where like you guys are officially like in a relationship? Like when do you know? Cause like, I feel like I never know, dude. Like it's usually
Yeah, because
like
you can't ask what are we.
yeah, that's like some
it's
little
over
kid.
for
That's
you.
like some little kid shit, bro. Like niggas don't do that shit. They just like know.
I know. I just know.
Yeah, you know, but like when do you know though?
It's a feeling. It's like,
Like,
damn,
can you
she
give me
ain't talking
some?
to
Can you
nobody.
go into detail, like type shit?
I just kind of know that they ain't talking to nobody.
Like, is it like a certain like move type shit? Like she like kissed you?
No,
Like
it's probably like
she like gave you some.
probably late night. She call you and go to sleep on the phone with you, and it's not like one time. It's a couple times.
Like
You could tell.
type
She
shit?
like at first when y'all first started talking, she was like,
Like what if like she like?
You just interrupted me.
Oh shit, my bad.
You can ask your question.
No, you got it.
I forgot my
No, you
train
got
of
it.
thought.
You got
I
it.
forgot my train of thought.
You said train. Alright. But yeah, I don't know. My ideal relationship, bro.
It's like it's moving different from when y'all first met.
I don't know. I just gotta. I think my ideal relationship, bro, it's just gotta be a girl that's like fits in my schedule. Like she not trying to trying to like
Be your priority.
yeah type shit. You know
Like,
what I'm
she got
saying?
her priority straight and you got yours.
Yeah, but like we both got like things together and we just bring it together type shit. Like not one is like, you know what I'm saying? We're kind of equal. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Philip? How you
She
feel?
gonna have feelings.
Huh?
She gonna have feelings instantly for you.
That shit not gonna work.
And
That shit ain't gonna work.
What?
she just gonna have feelings for you.
But it's a relationship though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what's your ideal relationship?
I mean, if we smashing,
and then he asked another good question, like, when do you know you in a relationship with somebody? Because you can't, like, we can't really be like,
You can't really ask like on some little kid shit like if we're going out or type
And
shit.
it's basically what this nigga said. You just don't have to know.
You just gonna have to know. Because
And
it's like, because when you first meet a girl and
But it
y'all
has to
talking,
be something that like puts you over
but
the
you
edge.
know,
like
but
that.
you know when you first met your last relationship was in. You know the difference when y'all first started talking until when you could tell she was just loyal to you. You kind of just know. It's like a feeling. It's like, well, she can't be interested in another nigga.
And then she gonna say something about it too. Like if you go talk to another female or something.
Yeah,
She gonna get
she's not
mad.
gonna say nothing. It's the emotions.
So when you say
Yeah,
like
she gonna get
if I
mad.
had like sexual intercourse, like
Nigga, she gonna
that's
fall in love
isn't
with
that
you.
like a good sign like that shit?
She gonna fall in love with you.
You got your crooked ass mind if you think.
If you having sex with
if
your
your
friend,
intentions were just to have sex, like of course not, but like
she
it's
still
like,
gonna have.
what if she didn't give it up? What if she wasn't that type of person to give it up to you like first? Like we have to like
Shouldn't
wait
have made me wait.
a month type shit.
A month. I mean, she still.
Shouldn't have made me wait. Nah,
She still
He has to love you at that point, right?
probably. It depends. But if she
She
just
gonna
felt
have
good-
too much. Emotion.
because it's different. Like I know a couple girls that will have sex with you. They just comfortable with you, right? So if they like you friends with them, and then they feeling in that mood, and you feeling in that mood, they gonna slide through because they feel comfortable with you, rather than just they being want to be girlfriend and boyfriend with you.
You're right.
But it's just some girls that just be like, nah, I ain't having sex with them, so I'll go out with you for 6-7 months.
Yvonne, what's your perspective on this, bro? 'Cause I know you just got all the hoes. You got all the hoes.
All the hoes.
All of them. Different
If
area
they don't give up
codes.
no coochie
within
a month, bro.
shouldn't have made me
A
wait.
month?
Within a month or
Yeah.
2
Cut them
months.
off. You cut them off.
That's out, bro. Within a month or 2 months, bro. That's out.
We grown now. It's no time to be playing with
That's
that.
what I'm saying, bro.
A month.
I wouldn't even. It depends if I'm talking.
It's like, bro.